Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to activate an AT&T prepaid phone purchased from Walmart. Before you start, make sure you have some information ready. You will need the phone's IMEI number, which you can find on the packaging or by dialing *06 on the phone. You will also need the SIM card number, which is printed on the SIM card itself. Have a payment method ready for your first month's plan unless you bought a prepaid plan card at Walmart. Finally, know your service zip code. The first step is to get a compatible phone. You can use an unlocked phone you already own or buy a new prepaid device. There is no difference between a prepaid phone and a postpaid phone. Any phone that works on AT&T's network will work for your prepaid plan. Next, you will need a SIM card. This can be a physical SIM card or a digital SIM, also known as an eSIM. If your phone came with a SIM card inserted, you are ready. If it didn't, you can get a prepaid SIM card from AT&T or from Walmart when you buy your plan. Once the SIM card is inserted, turn on your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the activation process. If you bought your phone or plan online, you can also go to AT&T's activation website to complete the setup. After activation, test your phone by making a call or sending a text message. This ensures that your service is working properly. Thanks for watching.